Hello, children. Welcome back to social class. Children, now I am going to give revision chapter 18, the United Nations. Children, we have learned World War One and World War Two. Then we learned the United Nations, then objectives of the United Nations, then symbol of the United Nations, then main organs of the United Nations. Then we learn agency of the United Nations and major achievements of the United Nations. Children, already we learned the United Nations. Yes or no? Yes. The United Nations is an industrial organization of countries which was founded to promote world peace and cooperation. Children, it was founded after the end of World War II. Children, the Industrial Revolution started in the United Kingdom and lasted from the 18th to the 19th century, where major changes in industry and technology changed the socio-economic and cultural conditions. Children, as the Industrial Revolution spread rapidly across Europe, a large number of factories were set up and the demand for raw materials increased. For this, they needed to expand their empires, and so they started to take control of another countries in Asia and Africa. Soon they were fighting amongst themselves for the state beginning most power, which led to a war involving many countries. Children, this is known as the First World War or World War One. Children, when did World War One broke out? Yes, the World War One broke out 1914. Children, this war went on from 1914 to 1919. Children, millions of people were killed and many more injured. After World War I, an industrial body called the League of Nations was set up in 19. Children, they were the peacekeepers of the world. Children, but it was not successful as it was unable to prevent the World War II. Children, however, the League of Nations failed to prevent the Second World War, which broke out in 1939. Children, when did Second World War broke out? Yes, the Second World War broke out in 1939. Children, this war lasted from 1939 to 1945. Children, in this war, Germany, Italy and Japan fought against almost all the remaining countries of the world. The war ended in 1945 when the USA dropped atomic bombs on two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Children, the Second World War made the people realize the need to replace the League of Nations by a more effective body that would help to stop wars between countries. Many nations of the world felt that a huge amount of money was being wasted in wars that could be used for the progress of the world. Children, this feeling gave birth to the idea of the United Nations, UN. This name was given by Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States of America. Children, the United Nations is an international organization. UNO. UNO means the United Nations Organization. The United Nations is founded in 1945 after the Second World War by 51 countries. Children, the Charter of the United Nations, a set of rules was signed by 51 member nations on 24th October 1945. Children, this day is celebrated every year as the United Nations Day. Children, today 193 countries are a part of the United Nations. Children, the headquarters of the United Nations are located in New York, USA. Children, 24th October is celebrated as UN Day every year. Children, when is celebrated as United Nation Day every year? Yes, 24th October is celebrated as United Nation Day every year. Children, at present, the United has how many member countries? Yes, at present the UN has 193 member countries. Children, where is located United Nation? Yes, the United Nations are located in New York, USA. Children, the name United Nations was coined by President Roosevelt of the USA. A set of rules and regulations called the Charter of the United Nations was made at a conference in San Francisco, USA. It was signed by 51 member countries including India on 24th October 1945. Children, this day is celebrated as UN Day. Children, the UN was founded to promote peace and prevent another world war. Children, when was the United Nations formed? Yes, the United Nations was formed in 1945. Children, what are the major objectives of the United Nations? Yes, the main aim of the United Nations is to achieve world peace. Children, it is important objectives are to maintain international peace and security, then to promote friendly relationship and cooperation among the nations of the world, then to solve social, economical, cultural and human problems, then to protect human rights and basic freedom all over the world, and to solve problems based on race, religion, caste, language and sex among the people. Children, to achieve these objectives, the United Nations issued a Declaration of Rights for Human Beings. Children, it is called the Declaration of Human Rights. It was adopted on 10th of December 1948. That is why 10th of December is celebrated as the Human Rights Day. Children, when is Human Day is celebrated? Yes, 10th December is celebrated as the Human Rights Day. Children, some of the important rights on this declaration are the rights to live as a free citizen of a country. We are live as free citizen of the country. Then all people are equal before the law. Children, all the people are equal before the law. Children, the right to education and employment, then the right to travel anywhere according to one's own choice, then the right to freedom of worship, then equal pay for equal work. Then children, equal pay for equal work, freedom of speech and writing, then no discrimination based on religion, caste. Children, what are the main objectives of the United Nations? Yes, the main objectives of United Nations to maintaining international peace and security. Children, next one, the symbol of the United Nations. Children, the symbol of the United Nations is a world map surrounded by two olive branches in white on a light blue background. Children, look at the picture. This picture is symbol of the United Nations. Children, the symbol of the United Nations is a world map surrounded by two olive branches in white on a light blue background. Children, the olive branches are a symbol of peace. This symbol was adopted on October 20th, 1947. Children, when was symbol of the United Nations adopted? Yes, the symbol of United Nations was adopted on October 20th, 1947. Children, next one, what are the main organs of the United Nations? Children, what are the main organs? Yes, the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, then the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Secretariat. Children, the United Nations has 6 organs that perform different functions. What are they? Yes, first one, the General Assembly. What is the work? The General Assembly works like a world parliament. Then the Security Council. The Security Council is the most powerful organ. Its decisions are final and all the members have to follow its decisions. Children, then next one, the Secretariat. The Secretariat is the executive branch and takes care of the programs and policies. Children, the Secretary General is the head of Secretariat and the spokesperson of United Nations. Then the International Court of Justice. Children, the International Court of Justice is the world court. This court deals with the case brought by nations against each other. And last one, the Trusteeship Council. Children, the Trusteeship Council was established to look into the transition of colonies to independence. Children, the United Nations Charter has established 6 different organs that serve different functions. What are the 6 organs? Yes, the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Secretariat, the Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice, the Trusteeship Council. Children, now let us study in detail the working and responsibility that have been bestowed on its main organs. Okay children, now let us see the General Assembly. Children, the General Assembly is the largest body of the United Nations. The General Assembly includes all 193 member countries. Then it meets once a year, September to December, to discuss and vote on various important global issues. Children, all decisions are taken on the basis of the outcome of voting. Its headquarters are in New York. Children, the Assembly has the right to discuss and make recommendations on any issues covered by the United Nations Charter. Children, the routine matters are decided by the members with a simple majority vote. The important decision require a 2/3 majority. The Assembly meets at least once every year. However, it can also meet in a special session in case of an emergency. Children, members decide on matters with a simple majority vote. Children, next one, the Security Council. Children, the Security Council is the most powerful organ of the United Nations. It is responsible for maintaining international peace. Children, it is the most important organ of the United Nations. It is made up of 15 members, out of which 5 are permanent members. Children, the Security Council has 15 members, out of which 5 members are permanent. The Assembly elects the other 10 members for 2-year terms. Children, the 5 permanent members of the Security Council are the United States, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. Children, these members are the most powerful. Children, next one, the Secretariat. Children, this organ is the executive branch of the United Nations. It takes care of the United Nations programs and policies and carries out day-to-day operations. The Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat and acts as the United Nations spokesperson. He is nominated by the Security Council and appointed by the General Assembly for a 5-year terms. Children, the Secretariat is the administrative organ of the United Nations. Then the Secretariat manages the day-to-day running of the United Nations. The Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat and is chosen by the General Assembly for a term of 5 years. Children, let us see the Economic and Social Council. Children, the Economic and Social Council helps to promote social progress and better living standards for people. The Economic and Social Council is a body that functions under the General Assembly. It consists of 54 members who are elected for a period of 3 years. Children, the ECOSOC, that means Economic and Social Council. The ECOSOC carries out activities which help developing countries to progress in the fields of economic, health, education and culture. Children, next one, the Trusteeship Council. Children, the role of this council is to supervise the administration of dependent countries that were a part of other countries. Children, the Trusteeship Council was established to look into the transition of colonies to independence. Children, next one, the International Court of Justice. It is also called the World Court. It is the judicial organ of the United Nations. It is located in the Hague, Netherlands. Children, this court listens to cases brought by nations against each other. There are 15 judges that are elected by the Security Council and the General Assembly for a term of 9 years. Children, the court gives its advice to the General Assembly and other bodies of the United Nations on all kinds of legal matters. Children, what are the main organs of the United Nations? Yes, the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Secretariat, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council and the International Court of Justice. Children, the General Assembly is the largest body of the United Nations. Then the Secretary General is the head of the United Nations. Children, next one, Agency of the United Nations. The United Nations also has special agency that conduct activities dealing with common global problems. Children, some of the main special agencies are WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO, FAO, ILO and many more. Children, now let us discuss the functions of the some major agencies. The first one, WHO. What is the expanded form of WHO? Yes, World Health Organization. Children, the World Health Organization was formed on April 7, 1948. Children, WHO headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. Children, health for all is the main objective of WHO. Children, what is the main objective of WHO? Yes, health for all. WHO provides information and training on preventing killers diseases and improving public health around the world. Then it also promotes medical and health research around the world. Children, WHO, World Health Organization, it was established in 1948. Its headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. It provides services related to health. Children, next one, UNICEF. What is the expanded form of UNICEF? Yes, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. The UNICEF was created by the United Nations General Assembly in 1946 to provide emergency fund. Children, its headquarters are in New York. Where is located UNICEF? Yes, it is located in New York. Children, UNICEF, the expanded form of United Nations Children's Fund, started in 1946. UNICEF was set up to provide food and health care to children in countries destroyed by World War II. Then it also works for basic education and gender equality. Children, the Anganwadi program is a program started by the UNICEF in India. It is carried out to teach the mothers how to take care of their own health as well as the health of their children. Children, UNICEF expanded form of United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Its headquarters is at New York in USA. It deals with children related problems. Children, UNICEF aim is to protect the children. Children, next one, UNESCO. What is the expanded form of UNESCO? Yes, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Children, the UNESCO was established in 1946. Children, UNESCO headquarters is at Paris in France. It works in the field of education, science and culture. Children, the main aim of the organization is to help people in the field of education. Children, it provides science education in background countries. It helps in preserving old monuments and also provides expert training in preservation of ancient art, culture and architecture. Children, on the whole, it encourages nations to work together in the field of education, science and culture. Then it also works for the preservation of culture heritage sites. Then FAO, ILO, Agency of United Nations. What is the expanded form of FAO? Yes, Food and Agriculture Organization. It is started in 1945. Then ILO. What is the expanded form of ILO? Yes, International Labour Organization. It is started in 1919. Children, what are the sum of the special agency of the United Nations? Yes, the sum of the special agency of the United Nations are the UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, FAO and ILO. Children, next, what are the major achievements of the United Nations? Yes, some major achievements of United Nations are the United Nations has prevented the probable occurrence of the Third World War. Then the United Nations has succeeded in checking the spread and use of nuclear and other weapons. Children, it has been able to resolve international disputes feasibly. In many incidents, it has tried that the war between the conflicting countries comes to an end and also that no other countries join it. Children, the wars between India and Pakistan, Iran and Iraq, Israel and the Arab countries and many such wars were not allowed to grow big because of the efforts of the United Nations. Children, it is played a remarkable role in arms control, especially by the stopping nations for using dangerous nuclear weapons. It has been successful in providing helps to all the developing countries in their fight against poverty, diseases and illiteracies. Then it has also gained tremendous success in improving cultural cooperation among the nation. With the help of the ED specialist agency, it has been able to improve food production and provide better working conditions for industry workers. Children, we should remember one thing, that the success of the United Nations depends a lot on how much cooperation is extended by its member nations. Children, let us see Indians in the United Nations. Children, India is the largest democracy in the world. India is a peace-loving country. It is one of the founding members of the United Nations. Children, it has full faith in the ideals of the United Nations. Children, it actively participates in agencies like UNESCO, WHO, FAO and ILO. Children, our country has been a members of the Security Council several times. Children, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first woman president of the General Assembly of the United Nations. Children, many Indians have occupied a place of importance in the United Nations, one of them being Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, the sister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. She was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Children, India has sent its peacekeeping forces to Sri Lanka, Korea, Congo, Egypt and the Iran-Iraq border to bring about peace. Children, at the very first session of the United Nations, India raised its voice against colonialism and apartheid. Two very important issues. Apartheid was the policy of racial discrimination practiced in South Africa against the blacks by the white rulers. Children, who was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Yes, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Okay children, now I am going to give quick revision for this chapter. Children, the failure of the League and Nations and the beginning of the Second World War led to the formation of the United Nations. Then the United Nations was established on 24th October 1945 with its headquarters at New York. Children, when was United Nations formed? Yes, the United Nations was formed in 1945 with the aim to maintain world peace. Children, 24th October is United Nations Day. This day is celebrated every year. At present, the United Nations has 193 member countries. Children, what are the major objectives of the United Nations? Yes, the main aim of the United Nations is to achieve world peace. Children, to maintaining international peace and security, then developing friendly relations amongst nations, then promoting social progress and better living standards. Children, then what are the main organs of the United Nations? What are the main organs? Yes, the main organs of the United Nations are its General Assembly, the Security Council, the Secretariat, the Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Trustee Council. Children, these are all the main organs of the United Nations. Children, the General Assembly is the largest body of the United Nations. Then the Security Council has 15 members. Out of them, 5 are permanent. It looks after the world peace. 10 are elected for a term of 2 years by 2/3 majority of the General Assembly. Then 5 permanent members of the Security Council are USA, UK, Russia, France and China. Children, the permanent members of the United Nations have the power of veto. Then Secretariat is the executive branch. Its head is Secretary General. Children, the International Court of Justice, also called the World Court, is the judicial organ of the United Nations. Children, what are the agency of the United Nations? Yes, UNICEF, UNESCO, WHO, FAO, ILO and many more agencies. Children, what are the major achievements of the United Nations? Yes, the United Nations has prevented the probable occurrence of the Third World War. Then United Nations has succeeded in checking the spread and use of nuclear and other weapons. Okay children, now I am going to give book exercise revision. First one, fill in the blanks. First question, the World's Human Rights Day is celebrated on dash. Children, the World's Human Rights Day is celebrated on dash. Yes, the answer is December 10. Children, the World's Human Rights Day is celebrated on December 10. Second question, India signed the United Nations Charter in dash. Yes, the answer is 24th October 1945. Children, India signed the United Nations Charter in 24th October 1945. Third question, the Anganwadi program was started by dash in India. Children, the Anganwadi program was started by dash in India. Yes, the answer is UNICEF. Children, what is the expanded form of UNICEF? Yes, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Children, the Anganwadi program was started by UNICEF in India. Fourth question, dash was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Children, dash was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Yes, the answer is Miss Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Children, Miss Vijayalakshmi Pandit was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Children, fifth question, the dash is the largest body of the United Nations. Children, the dash is the largest body of the United Nations. Yes, the answer is General Assembly. Children, the General Assembly is the largest body of the United Nations. Children, next one, give the expanded form of the following terms. First one, WHO. Children, what is the expanded form of WHO? Yes, the World Health Organization. World Health Organization. Then second one, UNICEF. Children, what is the expanded form of UNICEF? Yes, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Children, next one, UN. What is the expanded form of UN? Yes, United Nations. Then fourth one, ECOSHO. What is the expanded form of ECOSHO? Economic and Social Council. Then fifth one, UNESCO. Children, what is the expanded form of UNESCO? Yes, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Children, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Okay children, now I am going to give classwork revision. First one, answer the following questions. First one, give the expanded form of the following terms. Children, first one, WHO. What is the expanded form of WHO? Yes, World Health Organization. World Health Organization started in 1948. Children, WHO provides information and training on preventing killer diseases and improving public health around the world. Second question, UNICEF. What is the expanded form of UNICEF? Yes, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. UNICEF started in 1946. It was set up to provide food and health care to children in countries destroyed by World War II. Then third one, UN. What is the expanded form of UN? United Nations. The United Nations formed in 1945. Then fourth one, ECOSHO. What is the expanded form of ECOSHO? Economic and Social Council. Then fifth one, UNESCO. Children, what is the expanded form of UNESCO? Yes, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Children, UNESCO started in 1945. It creates cooperation between countries to work together in the fields of education, science and culture. Children, list out the main organs of the United Nations. The Charter of the United Nations established 6 principal organs of the United Nations that would survey different functions. Children, what are the main organs? There are 6 organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and Secretariat. Children, these are all the main organs of the United Nations. Children, next third question. Write a short note on United Nations. Yes, the United Nations is an international organization. Children, the United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after the Second World War by 51 countries. Founded in 1945. How many countries? Yes, 51 countries. It came into being on 24th October at San Francisco in the USA. The United Nations headquarters is in New York, USA. Children, the United Nations headquarters is in New York. Children, fourth question. Write the main objectives of the United Nations. Children, what are the main objectives of the United Nations? Yes, the maintaining aim of the United Nations is to achieve world peace. Children, it is important objectives are maintaining international peace and security, then developing friendly relations amongst nations, then promoting social progress and better living standards, then protecting human rights and basic freedom all over the world, irrespective of caste, color, creed and language. Children, these are the main objectives of the United Nations. Children, describe the symbol of the United Nations. Yes, the symbol of the United Nations is a world map surrounded by 2 olive branches in white on a light blue background. Children, the symbol of the United Nations is world map surrounded by two olive branches in white on a light blue background. Then olive branches are a symbol of peace. Children, this symbol was adopted on October 20, 1947. Children, this symbol was adopted on October 20, 1947. Okay children, I hope you all understand this chapter clearly. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.